Hi everyone, I just turned on my lab environment and I see that the VDI machine is in unregistered state. So I'm trying to troubleshoot this particular problem. So it gives an error message. It says something like an unknown error occurred. If the problem persists, contact Citrix support. Okay, let me click on troubleshoot. Okay, so what does it say? It says the delivery controller lost connection with the VDA. This may likely be caused by network disruptions. So verify that the Citrix broker service is running on the controller and the desktop service is running on the VDA. Start each if stopped. If already started, restart the desktop service on the VDA to restart the registration process and validate the VDA register successfully. Okay, verify the delivery controller and VDA can successfully communicate via ping. If not, resolve any firewall or routing issues. Okay, let me quickly go to my Zen server. Let me log into Zen server. It takes a few seconds to load, so please bear with me. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, it's trying to connect to Zen server. Okay. Oh, it seems like the VDI machine is in power off state. Let me turn it on quickly. You can check the status here. It should come up in a few minutes, so please bear with me. So it is always good to check whenever the machine is in unregistered state. We can start from the basic troubleshooting steps. Like first of all, you can just go to the VDI machine and see what is the status of that VDI machine. Is it powered on or powered off, or is it in hung state? Sometimes even though the machine is on, it goes to the hung state, and when it goes to the hung state, then the machine would show unregistered. So the very first thing what you can check is always good to go to the Zen Center, or if you're using VMware vSphere, you can connect to the vCenter server and see from the console what is the status of that particular virtual machine. Based upon that, you can take the next troubleshooting steps. So you can click on troubleshoot here whenever the machine is in unregistered state. When you click on troubleshoot, it should give some hint. It should give some possible scenarios why it is not getting registered. So if it is helpful, you can follow that and try to troubleshoot the issue. So the maintenance mode is off, which is good. Sometimes people, if when there is an activity going on, people would keep the machines in maintenance mode, and if they forget to take off the machines from maintenance mode, then users may not be able to connect. So always good to check whether the machine is in maintenance mode or not. Let me refresh. Okay, it's still unregistered. It seems like the VDI machine is powering on slowly. So you can check the status of the logs here, the events here, what happened. So on September 27th, the machine has been started. 24th, the machine has been rebooted. 24th again, machine has been started. So machine has been started. So you can check all the events here about this particular virtual machine. So it says VM life cycle events in Zen server. And this is the performance of that particular VDI. You can see the CPU performance here. It's going up and going down. The CPU usage is 63%. Okay, the machine should be up. Oh, it's still coming on. So the machine can go to unregistered state for various issues. Sometimes a simple reboot would fix the issue. Sometimes the machine would be in turned off state. You can turn on, and the machine would come to registered state. It could be firewall issues, or it could be some DNS issues, or it could be, like I said, routing issues, or it could be time synchronization. So sometimes it depends upon the environment as well. You have to troubleshoot accordingly. Okay, seems like the machine is up. Okay, when the machine is up, when you are sure that the machine is up, now what you can do is you can simply go back to Citrix Studio and try to refresh and see how it goes. Okay, I'm refreshing it. Now the registration status should change to something. Oh, it's still unregistered. Let me click once again. So once the machine is on, if it is still in unregistered state, then you have to dive deep and see why it is still in unregistered state. So I would give a couple of minutes time because the machine has just booted up. It would take at least a minute or two for the services to come up. Okay, it says initializing if you see. So it means that the service is coming up just now. So it should be registered in a few minutes, in a few seconds, I'm sorry. So let me refresh once again, and yeah, it is still initializing. Let me refresh one last time. Oh, it still says initializing. So these are the people who have access to this machine. So when you click on administrators, you see this information like who has access to this particular machine. So these are the fundamental details of this particular VDI. It's called VDI 03. The power state is unknown. Registration is initializing. So we are still waiting. And this is the delivery group, machine catalog, and this is the IP address, and this is the version 7.15 on the VDA. So let me refresh once again and see how it goes. Okay, if you see the machine has been registered. Okay, so the issue has been resolved. So yeah, you have to check basically when the machine is in unregistered state. Sometimes machine would be in the machines would be in power off state, or machines would be in hung state. So you can a simple reboot would fix a simple power on of the machine should fix these kind of issues. Okay, I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Thank you.